Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus from the ZTE Blade A53 Pro. So at the start, if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when you're trying to visit any site, that means you have a notification software and you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So now I'm gonna show you the first method. Open the settings, then go to the apps and choose CL apps. Now check the list. If you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you do not recognize the name of it, just tap on the application like that and click on install. Click OK, and in the second step, go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. In my case it's Google Chrome. Now tap on the storage and cache and tap on the manage space. Choose clear all data and tap on the OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm using Avast, so you can launch it now. Tap on the continuous free and tap on the green circle. Now tap on to allow and turn on the switcher. Go back to the application and always use the deep scan. And after the scanning process, all of the unwanted softwares, viruses, malwares should be deleted from your phone. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.